Banks won't tell you this, but you could finance major purchases with zero interest for almost 2 years, if you know the right cards. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best personal credit cards with the longest 0% interest periods in 2025. These cards give you the ultimate financial breathing room that you didn't know you could have. Whether you're handling unexpected bills, financing a big expense, or just maximizing your leverage, these 5 cards are all you need. And trust me, the 4th card on this list is an absolute must-know if you're serious about saving money. Imagine this. You've just made a big purchase. Maybe it's a brand new laptop, a home renovation, or even paying off old debt. Now, instead of stressing over sky-high interest, you get months of breathing room to pay it off without spending a single extra penny. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. That's exactly what these 0% interest credit cards are designed for. But here's the catch. Not all cards are created equal. Some offer way more time to pay off your balance, and one in particular could save you the most money. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the best cards to keep more money in your pocket and pay smarter, not harder. Wells Fargo Reflect Card. Need more time to pay off a big purchase without drowning in interest? The Wells Fargo Reflect Card is designed to give you just that. With one of the longest 0% annual percentage rate, or APR periods available, it is a perfect choice if you need extra breathing room for your finances. Here's how it works. You get up to 21 months of 0% intro APR on both purchases and balance transfers. That means you can split big expenses into manageable payments, whether it's a new laptop, a home project, or consolidating old debt, without paying a single extra penny in interest. And once the intro period ends, the ongoing APR remains lower than many other cards, helping you keep your balance under control. But that's not all. This card also comes with built-in cell phone protection when you use it to pay your phone bill. That means if your phone gets lost, stolen, or damaged, you could be covered, saving you hundreds of dollars in unexpected costs. Let's be real. Why give your hard-earned money to interest when you can keep it? With nearly 2 years of 0% APR, this card lets you buy now, pay later on your terms. So if you qualify, this isn't just a credit card, it's a financial game changer. Citi Simplicity Card. Next up, we have the Citi Simplicity Card. If you hate hidden fees and want a stress-free credit card experience, this card is designed for just that. This card offers a 0% intro APR, 21 months on balance transfers, and 18 months on purchases, giving you a long runway to pay off debt or finance a major expense without interest piling up. But what truly sets it apart is its no-fee policy. There are no late fees, no annual fees, and no penalty APR. That means if life gets in the way and you miss a payment, you won't get hit with sky-high rates or extra charges, a truly rare benefit in the credit card world. This card is perfect for those carrying existing credit card debt. You can transfer your balance from a high-interest card, giving yourself nearly 2 years to pay it off without worrying about extra costs. And the bottom line? If you need a long interest-free period and want a card that won't punish you for small missteps, this is a hassle-free, smart choice. BankAmericard Credit Card. If avoiding interest for nearly 2 years sounds like a dream, the BankAmericard Credit Card makes it a reality. With a massive 21 billing cycles of 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers, this card gives you the ultimate financial cushion. No annual fee, no confusing rewards, just pure money-saving power. Think about the possibilities. Upgrade your home, cover unexpected medical bills, or finally take that dream vacation, all while keeping your savings untouched. Unbelievable, right? Instead of rushing to pay off a big expense, you get nearly 2 full years of flexibility. spreading out payments without a single cent in interest. And once the intro period wraps up, the low ongoing APR ensures you won't get hit with sky-high rates. If you're tired of credit cards that trap you in debt, this one flips the script. Simple, effective, and built to save you money. The BankAmericard credit card is a financial tool that puts you back in control. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Up next on our list is the most awaited one. Now this is where things get exciting, because why settle for just 0% APR when you can earn rewards at the same time? The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a powerhouse that lets you finance big purchases interest-free while stacking up cash back along the way. Here's what makes it stand out. 0% intro APR for 15 months on both purchases and balance transfers, giving you over a year of breathing room to pay off expenses. But here's the kicker. You're earning unlimited 1.5% cash back on every single purchase, plus 3% back on dining and drugstores, and a whopping 5% on travel booked through Chase. Think about this. Let's say you put $10,000 in expenses on this card, whether it's furniture, business costs, or a dream vacation. You spread out payments over 15 months, pay 0 interest, and still walk away with $150 plus in cashback rewards. That's honestly free money while you manage your finances smartly. If you want a card that does it all, ranging from 0% APR, rewards, and flexibility, Chase Freedom Unlimited is the ultimate pick. Discover It Balance Transfer. Lastly, we have the Discover It Balance Transfer, a card that doesn't just help you manage debt, it helps you eliminate it faster while still earning rewards. If you're carrying a balance on a high-interest credit card, this could be your smartest move. With a 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers, you get nearly a year and a half to pay off your existing debt without a single cent in interest. That alone could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, compared to leaving your balance on a typical high APR card. But what makes this card truly stand out? It doesn't just focus on debt relief, but also rewards you for your spending. Thanks to Discover's Cashback Match program, whatever cashback you earn in your first year is automatically doubled. So if you rack up $200 in rewards, Discover turns it into $400. No hoops to jump through, no limits. On top of that, there's no annual fee, so every dollar you save stays in your pocket. Plus, you'll get access to free FICO credit score tracking, making it easier to monitor your financial progress while paying down debt. Imagine you have a $5,000 balance collecting sky-high interest elsewhere. By transferring it to this card, you could stop interest charges dead in their tracks and actually start making progress toward becoming debt-free. And the best part? You're not just reducing debt, you're also building credit and earning rewards at the same time. Smart, rewarding, and built to help you win. What more could you ask for? And there you have it. The top 5 credit cards with the longest 0% interest periods in 2025. Whether you're looking to finance big purchases, crush debt faster, or even rack up rewards without paying a dime in interest, these cards give you the ultimate edge. Smart spending starts with the right tools, and now you've got them. Which of these cards caught your eye? Or do you have a go-to 0% APR card we should know about? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, because staying ahead with smart money moves starts right here.